Hello po, good morning. This is the platform of Winning Investment. Nag-release lang po ito noong August 4 at ngayon po ay August 9. Dito po makikita yung products benefits ko po is Twinning VIP 2 at Twinning VIP 1. Cost of Twinning VIP 1 is 60 pesos po ang income po nyo in 24 hours at ang VIP 2 is 200 ang VIP 2 is 126 per 24 hours. At dito naman po makikita natin ang team size po ng aking mga ka-team. At meron na po akong nabuo na team amount na 1,120 at investment team ko po ay 3,205. Level 1, 35 cashback rate is 35%. Then valid user ko po is 8. At saka ang bonus ay 1,120. Level 2 is 3 cashback rate. At ang team ko naman dyan ay 5. Dito naman sa account balance ko ay makikita po natin is 218 pesos 50 centavos. At gusto nyo pong makausap ang customer service, pindutin nyo lang po yung customer service na may 9 to up to 17. At dito naman yung minimum recharge as in minimum recharge to 300 minimum, 600, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 25,000 or 40,000. At ang payment type is GCash or Maya. Kaya ang piliin po natin is GCash. Basta yung kaya nyo lang pong i-invest. Balik po tayo dito sa account balance ko is 218.50 centavos. At ang na-recharge record ko is 300 success. Yun lang po. And then, withdrawal. Kunwari, dito mag-withdraw tayo ng 218. Pero ang minimum po withdraw ay is 300. At full name, lagay nyo po yung full name nyo, account po, at saka then click withdraw now. At withdrawal records natin is may 450, 347,